Learn Chinese the easiest way possible. In my videos, I'll be teaching some basic radicals and characters made up of those radicals. In this video, I'll be teaching two main radicals, 人 and 一. 人 refers to a person and 一 means one. Now let's see how many characters can we make using these two radicals. Our first character is 大, which means big or large. 大 looks like a man having his arms stretched out telling about something really big. 大. An example of 大 can be 大人, 大人, literally meaning big man or person, but refers to an adult in Chinese. Now we move to our second character, which is 天, 天. If you add an 一 on a 大, it becomes 天, which means heaven or sky, and it has so many other meanings as well. You can remember it as heaven is something vast and large, therefore heaven is one huge thing. The example for you to learn 天 will be 天人, 天人, which literally means sky man, but also refers to celestial person in Chinese. Now let's see what do we get if we combine 人 and 一 vertically. We get a 集, 集, which means to gather or collect. It looks like someone is bending on the floor to get something. Or let's remember it like one person on his own can collect anything. That's it for today, guys. If you like my video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button and share it with as many people that you know. My goal is to achieve 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, and I'm pretty sure that you all guys will make me achieve it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.